lower Shotover Gorge. So this is the intersection, Twin Rivers Trail and Tucker Beach Trail. We can go straight. Tucker Beach Trail. The other way is towards Queenstown by Frankton way. Alright, bit of a nice downhill. Climbing. Tucker's Way, Tucker's Beach Trail. Following the Shotover River upstream. That's Coronet Peak in the distance, the ski. So they mountain bike in the summertime, downhill there, shuttle bus back up. And obviously ski in winter. Okay, we go left. You have a nice view of the hill. Right, so this is Tucker Beach Recreation Reserve. Tucker Beach Trail has finished and we start the Shotover Gorge Trail. We've got a bridge to cross, Hugo Tunnel, up and head to Arthur's Point. Nice wide trail. There's the bridge to cross. Great start. On the Shotover Trail. This ain't big enough for the two of us. On a switchback at the moment. Ooh. So it's first gear, uphill. Now, I don't know which way. Shortcut. Shortcut. Alright, just going down now. Up, down. Switch. Good job, birdies. Good job. Wilkin Bridge. So then we'll go uphill. Beautiful. Shotover Gorge Trail. So there's two ways here, so I'm going to go left through the Hugo Tunnel. If you want to go back to Arrowtown the quick way, and there's a bypass route, heads you onto Wharehuanui Trail and Arthur's Point, but you'd have to go left. There's some ferns. Steep downhill, pitchbacks. Experienced cyclists only. I'm not sure if that includes me. So I'm in the gorge proper. Yeah, it's pumping. Brilliant. This is about the Hugo Tunnel. Gold Fever, Shotover River, 1862. Hugo's Tunnel. Woohoo! Somebody's walking. Look at this. Unreal. In memory of Hugh Green. Hugo. Alright, on the other side of the tunnel now. Relatively flat. Nice shaded trail at the moment. So I just had some motorbike there. Just went off. That's the end of the Gorge Trail. Been nice. Oh, that brings us to the end of the Shotover Gorge Trail. That was a ripper. Yeah, go from the lower Shotover Bridge to Arthur's Point. So you go downhill that windy area. And it's a pretty gentle, although there was some hiker bike coming back up.